Hello, to scan documents on your Samsung Galaxy A06, you have to go into your camera app first. Then go into settings, and right here you have scan documents option. You need to turn it on in case it's turned off. Now go back into your camera, and I will take a sample document to show you how it works. Alright, always remember to have a good lighting over your document and to hold your phone straight so the details on your document will be visible nicely. I actually can't really do it like it should be, but I'm just showing you how it works. Alright, so you put your phone over the document, and as you can see the document gets outlined, and on the bottom right you have an icon. You press it and basically your phone just takes a picture of the document. After scanning the document, it can be adjusted using these corners right here, and it can be done precisely by this little preview that's being displayed in there. So basically when you adjust your document, you can save your document. You can also retake it again if you're not satisfied with the result, and you can also rotate your document in case your document has been scanned in a different position. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.